Early-stage startup founders consistently struggle with navigating finances. Finding grants, accelerators, investors, or even sizing the market can take weeks, if not months, of manual research and often require expertise most founders do not yet have. So many funding opportunities are simply missed because the news of the opportunity never surfaced in time or was buried across hundreds of websites. And market sizing, TAM, SAM, and SOM is often time-consuming, requiring structured data collection, modeling, and assumptions. So we wanted to build an agentic AI system that acts like a dedicated financial research team, on demand, always up to date, and personalized to each startup. This led to FinStartAI, a multi-agent financial intelligence system built using Google's Agent Development Kit. FinStartAI serves as an agentic financial advisor for early-stage startups. The financial advisor agent, which acts as the orchestrator and controls three specialized agents. So number one, we have the market sizing agent. It is a high-accuracy research agent that analyzes target geographies, ideal customer profile, and pricing models to compute TAM, SAM, and SOM using structured formulas. And then it generates market assumptions based on industry data. This lets founders instantly understand the scale and viability of their market. Number two, we have the fundraising strategy agent, which is a reasoning agent trained on investment patterns that analyzes the founder profile and inspects traction metrics such as users, revenue, or growth, and designs tailored fundraising strategies. It gives founders clarity on who to raise from and how. Lastly, we have the grant and funding agent, which is a deep search agent that searches hundreds of websites to find grants, accelerators, government programs, and competitions according to the startup profile. And it filters results based on industry, geography, founder attributes, and other trademarks. Founders get a curated list of opportunities they would have otherwise spent hours discovering. Now I'll be showing you guys a demo of my financial advisor agent. First we ask hi and it introduces itself, saying it's a financial advisor specialized for my startup, and asks if we need insights on market size analysis, fundraising strategies, or finding grants, accelerators, and funding opportunities. Let's try asking about the market size for my startup plan. So it prompts me to provide specific details about my startup, such as the startup description, the target customer segments, the target geography, and the pricing model. So I'll be answering that. And you can see that it passes control over to the market sizing agent, which returns a market analysis report for the startup. The report contains market sizing TAM, SAM, and SOM calculations, including the estimates and the assumptions they made. Next, we have the market entry path, which has the ideal customer profile, the initial niche to target, and the expansion plan. And then at last, we have the competitive landscape relevance. Let's try to develop a fundraising strategy for my startup. Once again, it prompts me to give out extra details such as the stage of the startup, the funding amount, the traction metrics, the founder background, the use of funds, and the target investor type. After answering, it provides me a report on fundraising strategy, which is a roadmap to get to my target raise. First, it tries to tell us the landscape about fundraising, then it has the roadmap to 10 million vision, which was our target raise. Lastly, let's try to see grants, accelerators, and funding opportunities available. So it transfers authority to the grant funding agent, which looks through hundreds of websites to find these few competitions and government programs, including the program name, the type, and the funding benefit, and why it was a good match, and the URL. So that's it for my demo. I'm submitting for the innovation track, artificial intelligence and machine learning, and fintech and digital economy.